Yeah, this is a kinky house. This is a kinky house. We just get different windows. I'm taking you through the hood. It's a producer. It's a producer. He produces a lot of music. Look, God. This is his house. Right? Plantain, yeah. You want some?
أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح قد قامت الصلاة قد قامت الصلاة الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا
It's not needed, isn't it?
Well, if you're not going to talk, then please just stay at home because I can't be having you by.
In that batch by me coke back why? Coke. Yeah. Coke. Yeah, listen, they're taking advice from their madam. Club beer, no any beer. butter, right? People advertising it, but my first time actually seeing it. Do you know some people, YouTubers, some of them process this shea butter, put their own brand name and they sell it, shipping it abroad?
That's sauce for the spider.
But make no worry, my people think that's cheap. Maybe someone for bowl inside.
But I'm checking it raw. But
Yeah, they chop with wicked. Ah.
Arrest.
Alright, so guys, we're currently in Malcolm. We're doing a bit of shopping for the Airbnb. Yeah, and it's quite a massive shop. You can get a lot of stuff down here. Raining. So guys, that was amazing. We went to the market. It was hot. Jay, not pleased with the heat in the market, but it was fun. I fixed my bag. We fixed the bag. We bought a lot of bracelets. Guys, if you did enjoy the video, please like this video, subscribe for more content like this. Definitely see you in the next video. Bye.
Shy man, shy man.